Rafi Tulfo, Attorney Garrett Tongol.
Thank you, Madam Corina. We were talking backstage and we actually met even before the senator became a senator. So it's a pleasure to see you here among some of our strongest supporters.
Correct. At naniniwala naman kasi si Senator Rafi Tulfo sa ginagawa ng IMG. Tama yun, ano?
That is very correct, no? That's exactly why he sent me here upang iparating sa ating mga OFW, sa mga members ng IMG na ngayon pa lang he supports IMG, he supports its members, and he loves what IMG is doing for the community. Laking advocacy ng ating senador talaga from the very start is paano iangat sustainably ang ating mga OFWs. Primarily, of course, gusto natin, everybody retires, everybody stops working. That's why IMG is here to help in order to make your money work for you, di ba? Para naman pag tumigil tayo magtrabaho, sustainable pa rin, meron pa rin tayong pinagkakakitaan. And that's why the Senator fully supports IMG. And of course, he sends his special regards sa ating Big Three. But actually Big Four, no? Mr. Bart Borja, Mr. Noel Arandilla, Mr. Joen de las Peñas, and Ms. Doris Almanzoe. So, to the Big Four, the Senator is at your back. The whole office is at your back. And I've heard that IMG is already 20 plus years in serving our people. That's the same with the Senator. 20 plus years na rin po siya sa public service. And I can really foresee a good partnership to come. So on behalf of Senator Tulfo, really, we thank you. And we're by your side. This partnership will surely bring a lot of Filipinos up. And gaganda po ang kanilang kabuhayan. Thank you, thank you.
Yes! Nako, welcome to our Senator Rafi Tulfo at kasama natin siya dito sa IMG. Exciting at marami pa tayong matutulungan, of course.
Correct, because, aasa tayo ng lehislasyon para sa financial literacy. Ayan na, napasubo na kayo.
Oo naman.
Dito ka.
I is actually also here. I'm also here. I was sent here by the senator to announce that we are actually legislating policies to make it easier for Filipinos abroad to invest here in the Philippines. Kasi
wow! Palakpakan naman!
kailangan po mas madaling ipasok ang pera ng Pilipino sa Pilipinas because we've seen how you saved the Philippines during the pandemic. Sa totoo lang po, nung panahon na yon, kahit ako, walang trabaho eh. The courts were closed. Diba?
Karamihan sa atin, no?
Exactly.
Na talagang,
the entertainment
actually, hindi karamihan. Lahat. Oo, dahil talagang pansamantalang natigil ang halos buong daigdig, no? Dahil dun sa nangyari sa atin sa pandemic.
Absolutely.
Pero ngayon, tayo ay nagbabalik muli with a blast. Ano?
More powerful than ever. All I can say. Especially with IMG. That's why we're legislating policies para yung pera ng Pilipino mas madaling ipasok dito. They can invest, they can help our country grow, they can help us build our economy back. And kaya maraming salamat talaga sa mga members ng IMG, sa ating mga OFWs that love investing in new products. Instead na magpapaloko kayo, in my short span of working with the Senator, I have saved so many OFWs from precarious situations wherein they have entered into bad loans, they cannot pay off their debts. We have to save them from imprisonment in other countries. But if you invest wisely, hindi ka na mapapahamak, kikita ka pa. And that's what IMG can deliver to you guys.
Ang galing niya, no? Iboto si Attorney Tongol.
No.
Susunod na eleksyon.
Not at all.
Okay, so muli maraming salamat. Aasahan namin ang tulong ngayon mula sa Senado because of Senator Rafi Tulfo for financial literacy, and thank you sa kanyang kinatawan ngayong gabi. Attorney Garrett Tongol, thank you so much.
Thank you, Carlin, Corina.
Thank you, Attorney Garrett. Thank you very much. Marami ang nagsasabi na mas mabuti at mas maganda na magsimula ng maaga kung pag-iipon ng tama ang pag-uusapan. Save early, retire early, and happy. At bilib ako sa isang millennial na mula sa pagiging seafarer, ay isa na ang matagumpay na financial educator at IMG member.
Wow, he is one of the most inspiring young IMG builders. He leads and empowers countless individuals making a lasting difference in the financial industry. Let's watch this.
My name is Dave Vallejos and I'm 27 years old. I'm one of the youngest senior executive vice chairman here in IMG. And I've been with IMG for 7 years already. My team, Wise Millennials Dynasty, and we are more than 11,000 members. I am a former seafarer, a licensed marine officer. I am second from the eldest. So yung mama ko po ay isang fish vendor and yung father ko naman po ay patay na. I am from Nabunturan, Davao de Oro. Way back when I was still younger, nag-aaral kami pero hindi talaga kami lumaking mayaman kasi yung family talaga namin struggling financially. Nagbenta ako sa school ng mga kakanin, mga snacks, para yun po yung nag-provide sa akin. I took the scholarship program sa DMMA, College of Southern Philippines. Naging breadwinner din ako. And ako yung unang natapos kasi 3 years lang yung course ko and then nakapag-OJT agad ako sa international vessel. So habang nagtitraining ako sa agency ko noong time na yun, way back 2017, in-invite kami ni Sir Randy, yung buong klase namin, na mag-attend ng financial seminar. At first, nag-decline muna ako, hindi ako sumama. Pero second or third time, sabi niya may freelance daw kami, kaya sumama na lang ako, no? Kasi during that time, kailangan ko rin yung ganun eh. Napayes niya ako na mag-join dito sa IMG kasi itong libro na to, ito yung na-share niya sa akin, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Nung nakapag-attend na ako ng seminar sa IMG, King's Court, doon talaga na-open yung mind ko at saka ang dami kong realization. Habang nandito pa ako sa Manila at nagtitraining ako, grabe talaga yung struggle ko financially. Nung nakilala ko tong IMG, ang laking na itulong niya sa akin, yung income ko dito, yun na yung nagpo-provide para sa mga pangangailangan ko dito sa Manila. Ang nangyari doon, nag-attend ulit ako ng seminar pero doon na ako sa Davao office. At doon ko nakilala si Ma'am Rose. So si Ma'am Rose Raboy, isa siya sa mga mentors ko dito sa IMG. Dahil sa kanya, na-promote din ako ng marketing director. Naka-attend din ako sa pinakauna kong convention 2018. May mga time na ang mga member ko gustong mag-give up, gusto na nilang mag-quit sa IMG kasi nahihirapan na sila. So as a leader, malaking responsibility yun para sa akin. Minomotivate ko sila araw-araw. Sabi nila, big why, your deepest why that will make you cry. So, you should think about your family. I see the mission of IMG. Kung paano ako nabago ng IMG, gusto ko rin na meron din akong taong matulungan na mababago din yung buhay niya. And every time may naipapasok akong member dito sa IMG, that's an opportunity for me to change the life of that person. Pag tinitingnan ko itong mga awards ko, mga trophy ko, parang lagi ko iniisip yung kung saan ako nanggaling dito sa IMG. Looking back, hindi ko talaga ma-imagine na lahat ng meron ako ngayon ay ma-achieve ko. Ngayon, sobra pa sa imagination ko yung mga nabigay sa akin ng IMG. Just this year, January, natapos ko yung pinapagawang bahay ko para sa magulang ko, para sa mga kapatid ko sa Davao. That is really a product of IMG and I built that house in the middle of pandemic. Marami pang naibigay sa akin sa IMG. Meron akong 3 kondong binabayaran ngayon. Yung sasakyan na bigay ng IMG at nakabili na rin po ako ng mga lupa, no? Sa province commercial lot at sa mga pinagtataniman namin na agriculture. I have my new wife. Meron naman akong bagong motivation. This is my son. He is Kai and my partner in life, si Jorn. Sila na naman yung bago kong inspiration sa buhay at nagmo-motivate sa akin araw-araw para i-achieve ko naman yung goal ko para sa kanila at mabigyan ng magandang buhay yung anak ko. And makapagpatayo din kami ng sarili naming bahay. Masasabi ko malaki ang naging impact. Hindi lang ako, but the IMG, ang company itself. Siguro yung magiging mensahe ko sa as self ko is to keep going. Kasi kung ano man yung pagdadaanan niya sa time na yun, mga taong pagtatawanan siya, mga taong hindi maniniwala sa kanya, part yun ng journey niya. Being successful for me is helping other people as well to become successful. Magiging successful ka pag i-share mo yung sa ibang tao kung paano ka natulungan, paano mo nakuha yung success mo. My message to IMG, the whole IMG company, to the people behind IMG is thank you very much for this amazing and life-changing opportunity. Continue lang po tayo sa ating teamwork dito, sa ating Big Three, kay Sir Joen, kay Sir Bart at Sir Noel. Makakaasa po kayo sa commitment ko dito sa IMG. To my team, Wise Millennials Dynasty, thank you very much because you are my extended family. That's why we need to keep going, anchor ourselves to our biggest why. Every time na nanghihinaan tayo ng loob, nag-i-struggle tayo, always think why you start in the first place. Always be grateful in life, and always focus on what matters. Always look back kung saan ka nanggaling. I am Dave Vallejos. I lead my team by example, and we will lead in front.